Hello, my students. Today we talk about prepositions of time or time expressions. Here we have 10 sentences. Sentence 1. Jessica gets up at 7 a.m. She has breakfast at 7:30. She studies English from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. At 12, she goes to the library and works on the computer until 1:30 p.m. In the afternoon, Jessica has lunch with her classmates. In the evening, she has dinner with her family. After dinner, she watches TV. She goes to bed at 11 p.m. On Saturday, she goes shopping. On Sunday, she does her homework and enjoys her time with friends. Look at sentence 1. Jessica gets up at 7 a.m. So here Jessica goes out of bed at a specific time. So here 7 a.m. it's a time that is specific. For example, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 3, 4, 5, 6 a.m., etc. So here these are examples of specific times. So here in this example, she gets up, she goes out of bed at a time that is specific, and this time is 7 a.m. So this is a specific time, at 7 a.m. Sentence 2. She has breakfast at 7:30. So here Jessica eats a meal. So breakfast is a meal. It's a meal we eat in the morning. So she has breakfast at 7:30. She has breakfast at 7:30. So this is another example of specific time, at 7:30. So this is another specific time. Sentence 3. She studies English from this time to this time. So here Jessica studies English from this time to this time. It means that she starts studying English at 9 and she finishes studying English at 11:30. So she studies English from this time to this time. She starts at 9 and she finishes at 11:30. She starts studying English at this time and she finishes studying English at this time. Sentence 4. At 12, she goes to the library and works on the computer until 1:30 p.m. So here at 12, so this is what? This is, yes, it's another specific time. So at 12, at this specific time, she goes to the library, Jessica goes to the library and works on the computer until 1:30 p.m. Until 1:30 p.m. So here, so here she goes to the library. What does she do? She works on the computer. So here Jessica is doing a continuous action. What is this action? The action of working on the computer. The action of working on the computer finishes at this time. So she goes to the library and does an action. What is this action? She goes to the library and works on the computer. So this is the action. She works on the computer and she finishes at this time. So here we have a continuous action that finishes or that stops at a specific time, and this is the specific time here. Sentence 5. In the afternoon, okay, afternoon, okay, it's a part of the day. So we have morning, afternoon, evening, and night. So these are parts of the day. So in the afternoon, Jessica has lunch with her classmates. So this is a part of the day in the afternoon. So at this part of the day, what does Jessica do? She has lunch with her classmates. Sentence 6. In the evening, she has dinner with her family. In the evening. So here is another example of a part of the day. In the evening, at this time, she has dinner with her family. In the evening, in the evening. So at this time, at this part of the day, at this time, at this part of the day, what does she do? She has dinner with her family. 7. After dinner, she watches TV. After Jessica has dinner, after she takes dinner, she watches TV. So we have here after. So after. So what do we mean by after? So here we have, what do we have here? We have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here number 2 comes after, it comes after 1. Number 3 comes after number 2. Number 4 comes after number 3. And we have number 5 comes after 5. After, okay? So let's go back to our sentence. After dinner, she watches TV. So here, after dinner, after this meal, okay, this meal we usually eat it at night. After dinner, it's a meal. I repeat, it's a meal. After Jessica takes this meal, she watches TV. So here she does this first. So this is the first thing she does, and this is the second thing she does. Sentence 8. She goes to bed at 11 p.m. So here Jessica goes to bed at 7 p.m. So what's this? Yes, that's correct. Yes, it's a specific time. So she goes to bed at this time, and this time is specific. It's definite, it's specific, okay? So she goes to bed at 11 p.m. So let's go to sentence 9. Sentence 9. On Saturday, she goes shopping. So Saturday, what is Saturday? Okay, it's a day of the week. So we have 7 days of the week. So this is a day. It's a day. On Saturday, on this day, on Saturday, she goes shopping. On Saturday, Jessica goes shopping. So what does she do on Saturday? She goes shopping. Then, on Sunday, she does her homework and enjoys her time with friends. So here another example of a day here. So we have another day here. On Sunday, on this day, what does Jessica do? She does her homework and enjoys her time with friends. Okay. So as a summary, so here are some time expressions. It's a summary of time expressions or prepositions of time. So we have here at. So at, okay, So we use it when we have a specific time, like this one, and when we have night, which is a part of the day, and midnight. Okay, so here I have some more sentences here. John goes to work at night. At night. At night. And we can use also at with midnight. So look at this example here. Jessica goes to bed at midnight. She goes to bed at midnight. So this is 12 o'clock at night. We call it midnight, at midnight. Okay, on. On we use it with weekdays, weekends, Mondays, etc. So look at these examples. Alan plays tennis on weekdays. Weekdays, we are talking here about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So these are weekdays. We call them weekdays. So he plays tennis on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Friday. I repeat, weekdays. So here Alan plays tennis on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So these are the weekdays. Let's go here to weekends. On weekends, Amanda goes shopping. So weekend, so we are talking here, weekend, it's the time from Friday evening until Sunday evening. So this period, we call it a weekend. So here on weekend, so we have plural here. So I'm not talking about one weekend, we are talking about weekends. On weekends, Amanda goes shopping. On weekends, Amanda goes shopping. Okay, so let's look at this example here. Elizabeth studies English on Mondays. So here on Mondays, Jessica, what does Jessica do? She studies English. It means every Monday, Elizabeth studies English. Every Monday, Elizabeth studies English on Mondays. So here plural here. Every Monday. Okay. So here, from this time expression here, from 2 to 3. So here, look at this example here. She studies English from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So from this time to this time. So from this specific time to this specific time. She starts studying English at 9 a.m. and she ends, or she stops, or she finishes studying English at this time. We have here until. Okay. Until 10. So here, look at this example here. At 12, she goes to the library and works on the computer until 1:30 p.m. So here Jessica, she goes to the library and she does something. What does she do? She works on the computer until 1:30 p.m. It means she works on the computer for a period of time. So this is a continuous action. Okay, working on the computer, and she stops working on the computer at this time, at 1:30 p.m. So here she stops this action, the action of working on the computer. She stops doing this action, she stops working on the computer at this time. So let's go to after. After lunch. Okay. For example, here in sentence 7 we have after dinner she watches TV. Jessica watches TV after dinner. After this time. So she has dinner first. This is the first thing. And after she watches TV, she does two things. This one is number one, and this one is number two. So after dinner, she watches TV. So we have another time expression we can use here, like before. Before, it's the opposite of this one. So after is the opposite of before. So like we have here in this, okay, we have here numbers. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4 comes before 5, 3 comes before 4, 2 comes before 3, and 1 comes before 2. So here we have an example. Brad brushes his teeth before he goes to bed. So here he does two things. Brad brushes his teeth. This is the first one. He goes to bed. This is the second one. Okay? So here we have an exercise. We have an exercise. I want you to complete these sentences with the correct time expression. So here, sentence 1, John gets up 8 o'clock. The morning. So what do you think we should use here? John gets up, so here we have a specific time. So we have here part of the day. John gets up. Okay, good. John gets up at 8 o'clock in the morning. In the morning. Sentence 2. My brother studies physics 8, 11 Mondays. So we have here specific time, time, and we have here a day. We have days here, okay? So we have here every Monday. So we have here, okay? So what can we use here? My brother studies physics from this time to this time, from 8 to 11 on Mondays. So every Monday my brother studies physics from 8 to 11, from this time to this time on Mondays, every Monday. Sentence 3. So this is a part of the day. Maria studies midnight. Okay. That she goes to bed. Okay. At night. So here, remember, we say at night, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So we have here parts of the day. Pay attention. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but we say at night. So here in this sentence, at night, we say Maria studies. At night, Maria studies until midnight, until 12 o'clock at night. Until. So she does an action here. What is it? The action of studying. She is studying. She's doing something. She is studying. So she studies and she finishes. So at night she studies, Maria studies, and ends or stops studying at this time, at midnight, at 12 o'clock at night. So until midnight, it means she stops studying. Maria studies until midnight. It means she stops studying at this time. Okay, so this is the full stop. Okay, what does he do after? Good. After that, it means after studying, she goes to bed. After studying, she goes to bed. Sentence 4. I have breakfast 7. I run in the park 6. 6:45. So what can we say here? Before I have breakfast at, good, specific time here. I run in the park time, from time to time, from 6 to 6:45. Okay, that's all for today. I hope the lesson is clear. Take good care of yourselves. Have a nice time.